My name is Coach Simbarashe Dedza, Herentials Queens FC head coach. About the art tournament. Everyone is excited. Us, we are excited. The players are excited, and the nation is excited about the tournament. It's a good thing for women's football. It's a good thing for the country to have such a big tournaments. And we are expecting a lot from the girls. And I want to assure you that the nation is going to see good football from the ladies. The ladies, they've improved and they are playing good football. Okay, about the prize money, yes, it's a lot of money. We want the money, the players want the money, everyone wants the money. So we are working very hard each and every day to get that money. And we don't underrate anyone. But as for us, we are going there and work very hard. And we are going to take each and every game as big, because all the teams are equal. We play the same league, so there is no a small team or a big team. So you have to work hard in order to achieve. Then about the organization of the tournaments, we are happy because we saw that they've given us the training kits, and also they've given us the jerseys to use at the tournament. Even the venue, it's a top class venue. People are going to enjoy the environment. About the league, yes, we have been champions now 2 seasons in a row. We have won the league 2022 season, and also we have won last season 2023, and we have gone and represented the nation at the COSAFA champions qualifications, and we lost at the semi-finals at the tournament day. So it's a good thing for us. It shows that there is progression. It shows that we are going forward.